making some taco soup. You're going to brown some ground beef. Alright, I've ground the ground beef and I drained the grease. Now you're going to add a pack of taco seasoning that I made my own. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it at the end of this video. So you're just going to put that whole seasoning in there. That's an ounce. You're going to add a pack of ranch dressing. Let's color that in. I'm not adding salt to this because it has salt in both the seasonings. Now you're going to add a cup of water, 1 can, this is a 14.5 ounce can of stewed tomatoes. Do not drain it, just add the whole can in there. A can of Rotel, that's a 10 ounce can. Do not drain that either. Now you can add an extra can of green chilies in here if you want it more heat to it. But I'm not going to do that. A can of chili beans. I got the mild chili sauce. This is a 18 ounce can. No, I'm sorry, a 16 ounce can. Do not drain these beans either. Add that in there. And then you're going to add, it says pinto beans on the recipe, but I already had these white kidney beans that I needed to use up. Cannellini beans. So I just went on and drained those and rinsed those. But if you want to use pinto beans, make sure you drain them and rinse them. You can use canned corn, but if you do, drain it. I got this frozen corn, a 10 ounce bag, but I'm only going to add half of that. You got it all mixed together. Now you're going to reduce the heat. I'm going to put it on medium low, which is 4 on my stove. And then I'm going to cover it and let it simmer for 15 minutes. It's done. I'm going to put some in a bowl and try it. Smells good. I'm going to add tortilla chips on the top. Crumble some up. And I'm going to add some sour cream. Then I'm going to try it for you. Oh man, that is really, really good. You can add avocado with this if you want, if you like that, or a guacamole. I don't like that, so, and sour cream. Oh man, this is really good. Mexican dishes are I will say that it's my favorite in Italian. This is so good with the tortilla chips. Thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed, I hope you'll subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Bye.